Great job on the tip and see. Now it is time for the quest. And after that, you will do your name poem planning. Remember, in the quest, you need to be signed into your Scratch account because you will remix, share, and add to Studio the project that you worked on during the tip and see. So make sure you're signed into your Scratch account, then open the project either by clicking the bit.ly link or typing it into your browser. Before you do anything in the quest, remember to reload, remix, share, and add to Studio. If you'd like, you can show your students this video to remind them of how to roar and hiss.
Yep.
For the quest today, your students will be building scripts for Bunny and Hetty. If you choose, you could have a turn and talk at this point where they can brainstorm with a classmate the types of actions that they might program those two sprites to do. This is an optional activity, and if you feel that it's better to get right into the coding, you can, and possibly use this as a turn and talk after they've coded, so students can discuss the types of actions that they did program into their project for Bunny and Hetty. And here's our quest. So what your students will be doing is building a script for Bunny and a script for Hetty that will start based on when the sprite is clicked. Both of these sprites will need to move, make a sound, and then either say or think something. In addition, on both of those sprites, you will also need to add a when green flag clicked script with a go to XY block so that the sprites start back in the same position each time the green flag is clicked. Remember, with the go to XY block, you want to place the sprite in the position on the stage before adding the go to XY block to the script. And lastly, you're going to add another glide block to the end of Rue's when this sprite clicked script to make Rue move back to his starting place. When your students have finished and when you have finished this project, remember to do the reflection activity. Describe a useful bug you or your friend had, and what did you learn from that bug? It's important for students to understand that it's okay to have bugs when you're programming. It's okay when things don't work right the first time. It's a learning opportunity, and sometimes you discover new and different ways to do things. It's also good to share your bugs and your solutions with others so that if they come across the same issue, they know how to fix it. And if you finish early, we've got some extension activities that you can do. You can make Hetty or Bunny move to another location. You can add another sprite and build a new when this sprite clicked script. So first it moves, then makes a sound, then says something or thinks something, and lastly, does something else. These are optional activities for students that finish their projects early. All right, now it's time for you to complete the quest. Have fun.